What's going down, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel again. This time I'll give y'all a little how-to video, since my coworker asked me to put this light in for him. I'm like, well, might as well do a how-to video. So today we're going to be putting the headlights in a Toyota Tundra. First thing I'm doing is taking the screws out. You see screws coming out first, then these coming out second, the little tabs. Got my little tool right here, and then we'll be able to take the lights out. So that's the plan. Let me take the rest of these screws out right quick. So we got 4 screws that's holding the grill. Then I'm gonna take the tabs out. Try to be careful. This ain't mine. And that bitch flew way over there. I'm gonna go back and get that. Well, I'm gonna need both of my hands for this. I'm gonna make sure I don't lose nothing. So I'll be right back. So I think I got all of them out. Something else in there. Let's look for the bottom screw. Alright, y'all, I had to take a little break and watch the video, so I make sure I'm doing this correctly. Like I said, this ain't my vehicle, so I want to make sure it's right. But right now, where we at, I done got the grill off on the ground. There was 2 tabs that's down behind here, behind the light that I had to find. Like I said, I had to watch this video so we get it done right, and how the dude did it. Sure, that's how I did it. I had to take these 4 bolts out of the fender flare as well, so we can, because we got to take this beauty panel off now. And I just took the plastic pieces out of that so I can get the light out. Now, this part has to come off. Alright, so we got the beauty panel off now. So I'm about to take these screws out, then the light should just fall right out. Alright, I know I kept going and I missed some areas, but we do have the light out now. And this is where the bulb is. Pull this little hammer back. Then you gotta take this one out, just like so. Boom. That's the bulb he wanted out. And the bulb's going in it. Alright, so I got it opened up now. Don't want to touch the bulb with my fingers, because everybody know it will shorten the life of the bulb. So I ain't got no personal camera holder, so I gotta do 2 and 2 at once. You know, do everything together. So the light goes back in here. And touch no part. Like so. Then you're gonna close this back. Like so. Plug that bad boy in. And it's already been lubed up real good. So we're gonna plug this in like so. I told him to take his keys, but probably should have left them here so I could have made sure this worked. Dang. Hey, I plugged it in like it's supposed to be. So it's plugged. It should just work right on. Alright, light back in. I gotta put this bolt back on. Alright, second light is out. This one's a little different on this side. It's a whole piece, so you can't just take that piece off. Pull this out right quick. Checking the lights. He had left it open. Lights working. Lights working. I mean, they don't look bluish, but they in there. Them the old ones too. So can't say I ain't put them in. Alright, got the beauty panel back on. Light back in. Now I'm putting in these little clips for the beauty panel. Alright, just got the fender flare put back on. About to put them in right quick. Alright, got that done. Alright, got the slide in. It's in there, the beauty panel back on, the fenders back on. I got this light in, just gotta put the screws in right quick. This panel back on. Pieces back on. Fender on. Alright, let me put this grill on. Like a glove. Look at that, buddy. Everything back in there, all the screws back too. I ain't got no leftover screws. That's what I'm talking about. Shoot, I'm proud of myself. I'm a little sweaty though, but hey man, take care of your people, man. Take care of your people. They need help. If you can help them, look out for them. I ain't telling people I'm in the car club no more. Everybody think I'm a mechanic. I'm just playing. Much love. Thank y'all for watching this how-to video. This is how to. Look at my hands. I ain't even look dirty on that. This is how to put in the headlights in a 2015-2016 Toyota Tundra. Make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe. And we out. You want to know what else crazy? I gave up. I didn't show it in the video, but I had put everything back together, and I was going inside to let them know, man, this is a lot of work, and I don't think it's good for me to do it, because you might mess something up. I might mess something up. But then I started thinking on the way, like, man, you can do this. You can do this. So went back out there, took it all apart, and I did it. And I did it. Feel good. So that's the end of my video. Like, share, and subscribe. Handful of Cash Car Club, man. We ain't going nowhere. Gonna keep grinding, keep moving. Much respect to all the supporters out there. Happy New Year.